Wikiboard is a website that allows you to navigate Wikipedia on a canvas. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'm noticing is that this canvas interface is getting a lot more popular. So as you can see, we've just got access to Wikipedia here. If we click on any of these nodes, you can actually just start typing what we're thinking, like let's say, I don't know, this is an interesting article. And then, of course, if you have Apple Intelligence, you can just describe the change that you want, which is really cool. Yeah, you can make post-its on either side. You've got all of these tools as well. So it's kind of like a Miro board or any kind of like canvas-based collaborative tool. But yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. They've got dark mode as well. This is an interesting way to navigate a popular website. Of course, you can just start clicking on, different pages, and, they'll pop up here as another node. And yeah, I just think it's an interesting way to navigate. Let me know what you think. And yeah.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Feel free to share this with anyone who uses Wikipedia a lot or could benefit from this kind of new interface and presentation of a website that's very popular. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.